Welcome to our 8th video. Today's topic is reported speech. But first, we need to check some definitions. Direct and reported speech. You can answer the question, what did he say, in two ways, using the direct speech or the reported speech. The direct speech is repeating the exact words spoken, and the reported speech is reporting the words spoken. In this case, we have extra words. Direct speech. When we use direct speech in writing, we place the words spoken between quotation marks. Here we have them. And there is no change in these words. We have some examples. First one, she says, "What time will you be home?" Number two, she said, "What time will you be home?" And I say, "I don't know." "There's a fly in my soup," screamed Simone. John said, "There's an elephant outside the window." And if you notice, we have the quotation marks. If we have the quotation marks, it's going to indicate us that we are using the direct speech. Reported speech. It is usually used to talk about the past, so we normally change the tense of the words spoken, and we use reporting verbs like say, tell, and ask, as we check in our previous video, and we have an example. She said, "I saw him." If you notice, we are using the quotation marks, so we know that it's a direct speech, and we are using the exact words spoken. And then we have, she said that she had seen him. In this case, we are using the reported speech. When we use the reported speech, we can add the word that. It's not, this word doesn't make any change in the meaning, so you can add that or you cannot add that, and it is not going to change the meaning. We are going to start reporting orders, but first we need to know what's an order. An order is when somebody tells you to do something and you have no choice. It is not usually polite. Yes, and it is also called a command. Reporting positive orders. We have some examples. Be quiet, direct speech, quotation marks. Yes, the reported speech. He told me to be quiet. To report affirmative orders, we use tell or say, and to, as you can see here. Let's check more examples. Eat the food. He said to eat the food. Get out of the car. The policeman told the lady to get out of the car. Now, reporting negative orders. Don't sit down. Direct speech. He said not to sit down. Reported speech. To report negative orders, we use tell or say and not to, as we have it here. Here we have some more examples. Do not smoke. He said not to smoke. Do not touch the oven. Her mom told her not to touch the oven. But we also report requests. What's a request? The act of politely or officially asking for something. And we have here reporting positive requests. Sit down, please. How do we know that it's a request? Because here we have please. He asked them to sit down. They reported. So to report polite requests, we use ask, the verb ask, and to. And finally, reporting negative requests. Do not sleep late is the direct speech. For the reported speech, we have I asked not to sleep late. To report negative requests, we use ask and not to. Thank you very much. See you next video.